Yung facilities management and facilities upgrade. Kasi pag-iwanan na ng panahon yung state of PhilSports, state of Rizal, state of Baguio, including yung after 35 years of the Philippine Sports Commission, wala pa tayong regional training centers in the provinces. So what we do now is every time...
Usually, sorry if I may interrupt you, usually you also rely on the local government units.
Very
diba?
important po yung partnership na yun. Pero hindi na harness yun eh. Hindi na harness yun. Ibig sabihin, ang dami nating boksingero galing Mindanao, galing Visayas, galing Leyte, Samar. Pero pinupull out natin, dinadala natin sa Baguio. So, for example, in Baguio now, there are easily 8 to 10 young boxers. They're all from Mindanao. The coach is from Mindanao. So ang ginawa natin, together with Senator Subiri, Bukidnon is now a regional training center for boxing. Sinuri namin, nung pinag-aralan namin yung mga developments ng mga athletes, marami talaga Visayas, Mindanao. Karamihan ng atleta natin nandun talaga. Even in the UAAP and NCAA.
Why do you think so? Why do you think so? Ano kaya ang...
Early on, sa buhay ng mga bata, wala silang
Or baka
struggle.
na-inspire...
Kapalit nun, focus nila sa sports.
So, na-inspire sila sa mga rags to riches stories ng mga the likes of Manny Pacquiao.
Because it is true.
Si Elorde, di ba?
Because it's Cebuano. Because it is true. Hindelin is from Zamboanga.
So, you will have more regional hubs. You're saying you'll have more regional hubs in Mindanao and in Visayas.
Yes, but let me explain. It cannot be a hub na yung isang probinsya may malaking stadium tapos mayroong 20 or 30 sports. It is a hub for parang one province, one sport.
Okay, very specific.
Kung saan may potential mag-excel.
Doon ka lang
makaproduce ng
maganda rin
magandang
yun,
atleta. Doon
para
ka lang
focus ka
So
doon.
sa Zamboanga, it is a regional training center for weightlifting.
Weightlifting in
Kung halimbawa
Zamboanga.
sa Central Visayas, football.
Central Visayas in
Sa
football.
Baguio, Cordillera, combat sports.
Pero itong mga
Sa amin,
to, wala
sa
pa
Visayas,
to.
sa boxing.
Oo nga, sa
Boxing.
inyo madami.
Yeah.
Pero wala pa itong mga to, Chair, no?
Meron na. Nandyan
Meron na to? You mean
ma'am,
existing na yung regional hubs
yes,
na to?
sinimulan na natin.
nagagamit
maniwala
na ng
po
mga
kayo sa
atleta
Candon,
natin.
Candon, Ilocos Sur. It is a regional training center for archery. Archery. Daan-daan ng archers doon, araw-araw, nagpapapanap.
So meron ng training center in
Yes,
Candon.
Tapos this Friday, we will sign regional training center for the Cordilleras, combat sports, ang Baguio.
How many are the existing regional hubs now and how many are already in the pipeline?
Ang nasa pipeline po dyan, mga 12.